Welcome to our channel. Today we are discussing about data mining issues. I think this video is useful for all computer science students. Today we live in a world where vast amount of data are collected daily. Analyzing such data is an important need. Data mining can meet this need by providing tools to discover knowledge from data. What are the different issues faced in the process of data mining? There are several issues should be addressed by data mining algorithms and products. They are human interaction, overfitting, outliers, interpretation of results, visualization of results, large data sets, high dimensionality, multimedia data, missing data, irrelevant data, noisy data, changing data, integration, application. We can move one by one issues. First one, human interaction. Since data mining problems are often not precisely stated, interfaces may be needed with both domain and technical experts. Technical experts are used to formulate the queries and assist in interpreting the results. Users are needed to identify training data and desired results. Second issue, overfitting. When a data mining model is generated with a given database state, it is desirable that a model is also fit future database states. Overfitting occurs when the model does not fit future states. This may be caused by assumptions that are made about the data or may be caused by the small size of the training database. For example, a classification model for an employee database may be developed to classify employees as short, medium, or tall. If the training database is quite small, the model might erroneously indicate that a short person is anyone under 5 feet 8 inches because there is only one entry in the training database under 5 feet 8 inches. In this case, many future employees would be erroneously classified as short. Overfitting can arise under other circumstances as well, even though the data are not changing. Third issue, outliers. There are many data entries that do not fit into a derived model. This becomes an issue with very large databases. If a model is developed that includes these outliers, then the model may not behave well for data that are not outliers. Fourth issue, interpretation of results. Data mining output may require experts to correctly interpret the results, otherwise be meaningless to the average database user. Fifth issue, visualization of results. A picture or a visual is equivalent to 1000 words. To easily view and understand the output of data mining algorithms, visualization of the results is helpful. Next, large data sets. Large data sets associated with data mining create problems when applying algorithms designed for small data sets. Many modeling applications grow exponentially on the data set size and thus are too inefficient for larger data sets. Sampling and parallelizations are effective tools to attack this scalability problem. Seventh one, high dimensionality. A conventional database schema may be composed of many different attributes. The problem here is that Not all attributes may be needed to solve a given data mining problem. In fact, the use of some attributes may interfere with the correct of data mining task. The use of other attributes may simply increase the overall complexity and decrease the efficiency of an algorithm. This problem is sometimes referred to as the dimensionality cause because that there are many attributes involved and it is difficult to determine which one should be used. Here, attribute means dimensions. One solution to this high dimensionality problem is to reduce the number of dimensions or number of attributes, which is known as dimensionality reduction. However, determining which attributes not needed is not always easy to do. Next, multimedia data. Most previous data mining algorithms are targeted to traditional data types. For example, numeric, character, text like data types. The use of multimedia data is found in GIS. GIS means graphical interface system. Databases complicates or invalidates many proposed algorithms. We need to support audio, video data. Then ninth issue, missing data. During the pre-processing phase of knowledge discovery from data, missing data may be replaced with estimates. This approach to handling missing data can lead to invalid results in the data mining step. 10th issue, some attributes in the database are not necessary to the data mining task being developed. Then noisy data. Some attribute values might be invalid or incorrect. These values are needed to correct before running data mining applications. Changing data. Databases cannot be assumed to be static, but most data mining algorithms do assume a static database. This requires that algorithm be completely rerun anytime the database changes. Then integration. The knowledge discovery from data process is not currently integrated into normal data processing activities. KDD request may be treated as special, unusual or one-time needs. This makes them inefficient, ineffective and not general enough to be used on an ongoing basis. Integration of data mining functions into traditional database management systems is certainly a desirable goal. Last issue, application. Determining the intended use for the information obtained from the data mining function is a challenge. Indeed, how business executives can effectively use the output is sometimes considered the more difficult part, not the running of the algorithm themselves. Because the data are of a type that has not previously been known, business practices may have to be modified to determine how to effectively use the information uncovered. Here, the issues are over. Thank you.